वायुर्वाक्शक्रियावान्यः वा प्राणः श्रुतितो निलः सामान्येन्द्रियवृत्तिर्वा सांख्यैरेषमुदीरणा भाति प्राणौ वायुनेति वेदोक्तेरेकता श्रुतिः वायुजत्वेन सामान्य वृत्तिर्नाशेष्वतोऽन्यतः न्यता
I will give Anvaya tomorrow, but this is the gist. Says whether prana is vayu or collective functions of all the indriyas. Now, Puravaksha says prana is vayu. Why? Shruti says anilaha is what? Prana. It says. And again, samanendriya vrittiva, or it can be collective function of all the indriyas. Because who says Shruti, according to Shruti, Puravaksha, two Puravakshas there. One Puravaksha says that prana is vayu. Shruti statement is there. We'll see the Shruti afterwards. Other Puravaksha says, Sankhya says prana is collective function of all the indriyas. How? They gave an example. In a cage, 11 birds were there. And what these 11 birds did, all together started flying. And what? The cage will fly. Or you can take a net. All started saying, along with the net, they started saying, see, each bird is flying. But along with that, the cage also is moving, cage also is moving. So therefore, each indriya does its job. Along with that, they are all functions of the body go on. My dear sir, it is not so. Say, pranaha vayuna bhati. Shruti is there. We'll see that in detail after. Prana manifests on account of vayu. That means prana is different from vayu or not. Number one, prana manifests on account of vayu. But you may say, but at places, prana and vayu are both towards one and the same. That is because of karya karana bhava. Prana is effect of vayu, karya karana ekata. So therefore, Veda, why? It is manifest on account of vayu. Ekata, because karya karana bhava. And therefore it says, vayu jatvena ekata shruti, because it's born of vayu. Says, samanya vritti na akshataha anyata. There is nothing called collective function as such. That will be proved as this collective function of indriyas is prana, has no basis at all, because all functions of indriyas are what? Individual functions. There is no collective function. No vayu kriye Prithakopadesha. So the Mukhya Prana is born was proved. Now Mukhya Prana is different from Vayu, and it is also different from collective functions of all the indriyas. So that is what is going to be proved now. Na Vayu Kriye. Mukhya Prana is not Vayu, is not air, nor it is Kriya. What is Kriya here? Indriya Vyapara. Yugapat Indriya Vyapara. A collective or simultaneous functions of all the indriyas. So, Vayu is neither not Vayu. Mukhya Prana, you have to add there, Mukhya Pranaha. Mukhya Pranaha na Vayu. Says, is not the air, napi kriya, not even indriya vyapara. Then what? It is a vayu vishesha, a specific manifestation of vayu. It is a specific manifestation of vayu. Vayu vishesha. How come? How do you say so? Pruthak upadesha. Pruthak upadesha. Prana is mentioned as distinct from vayu. Where Shruti will come, saha vayuna jyotisha bhati. Saha pranaha vayuna jyotisha. Jyotish here is figuratively light in the sense presiding deity. This prana manifests on account of presiding deity of Vayu. So that is how it is bhati. Ityartha. Again, etasma jayate pranaha manas sarvendriyani cha. See, all these are separately, indriyas are separately told and prana is separately told, means different from the indriya and indriya vyapara. Because indriya vyapara are common, they cannot be taken as two different tests. So that is how Pruthak Upadesha. So Shruti speaks of prana as distinct from Vayu and also the indriya. Caption. Ch2su2 tat sahashishyadibhya. Take Anvaya. Tu Ch2su adivat tat sahashishyadibhya. Tu is Ukta Shanka Nirasartha. To refute the doubt that was spelt out. Refute the doubt that was spelt out. Ukta Shanka says, what is that? Prana is not Swatantra like Jiva. Prana is not Swatantra like who? Then what? Kintu says Chakshuradiva. So you have to make adhyara pranaha na jivavat swatantraha. Pranaha jivavat na swatantraha. Kintu Chakshuradiva. This is how from two you have to connect Chakshuradiva. Like Chakshurachata means it's just as Chakshu, Vag, etc., Manaha, all these so-called Indriyani, being Karanas, means of Bhoga, they are Paratantra. Just as Karanas, being the means of Bhoga, are Paratantra, so is Prana also Paratantra. That is Chakshu, Radivat, Chakshu, Radivat, Adivat, Chakshu, Radivat. Other thing is Shruti is like Prana Samvada. Prana is mentioned along with Indriya. Prana is mentioned along with Indriya. So means it belongs to the same category as Indriya. Prana is this. So that will say Prana Samvada Prakarane. Now Tat Saha Shishti. What is that Tat Saha? Taihi Saha Tatsa. So, Taihi Saha Shishti Shishte. Again, Tadadibhya. Like that you have to split that compound. Taihi Saha means what? Chakshuradivi Saha. Along with Indriya. Shishte. Shishti here on Adibhya is there. So fifth case is there. If you split for Shishti, it becomes Shishte. Shishte means Kathana, Anushasana. Kathana. So, Mukhya Prana is enumerated along with other Indriyas in Prana Samvada Prakarana. Which category it belongs to? Indriya category. Otherwise, it will not have been mentioned in with the separate status would have been Jiva. Why Jiva is not mentioned along with the Indriyas as such? So that's why. Again, Tadadibhya. Tadadibhya means So similar to, again similar to Indriyas. What are those? Adi for Achetanatva. Adi for Achetanatva. Just as Indriyas are inert in nature, so also Prana is inert in nature. For Achetanatva Aditya. So because Prana is enumerated in Prana Samvada along with the Indriyas. And again, so Prana being inert like Indriya. So Prana is what? Is like Indriya only, a Karana only. What type of Karana will see after? Not the Karana like Ch2su2, but a different type of means. Different type of means. Ratnaprabha, earlier page, last line, last three words. Pranaha na bhokta bhogopakaranat Ch2su2 iti sutrartham aha tu shabda ityadi. Prana is not what? Bhokta. Why? Bhogasya upakaranatva. Upakarana, means of bhoga, means of gaining Ishaya bhoga. Like what? Ch2su2. Like that in other Indriyas. This is the Sutrartha, he says, tu shabda, etc. Sir, Akaranatvacha na doshaha tathahi darshayati. Anvaya. Akaranatvacha doshaha na hi tatha darshayati. He tatha darshayati. Akaranatva means Prana being not a Karana like Jnanendriya or Karmendriya or Antakarana. Because Prana is not a Karana, say, is like a Jnanendriya or Karmendriya or Antakarana. Na dosha. If Prana were a Karana like eyes, etc., then you can say it should have a that category Vishaya. But this is not of that type at all. It is entirely different variety as far as the Vishaya is concerned, function is concerned. So therefore, na doshaha, Prana doesn't having a sense object or an object of action or mentation like Ch2su2 is not a dosha. Is not a dosha. How do you say so? He is not dosha. He, because tatha. Tatha means Prana as distinct from Ch2su2, Shruti points out. Tatha. Prana has what a choice. Prana, no doubt, is what? Not Swatantra. It is mentioned along with the Ch2su2 being a Karana, but it doesn't have a Vishaya like them because it has a separate status. So Tatha, that it has a separate status in terms of its function, is being what? Shruti darshayati, Shruti pratipadayati, Shruti establishes. What is that? It looks after the sustenance of Sharira, Indriya, Mana. All these survive because of who? Prana. And because Prana, Mukhya Prana is there, they survive, they function. If Mukhya Prana is not there, they cannot function. Sutra. Panchavritti Manovat Vyapadishyate. Anvaya. Manovat Panchavritti Vyapadishyate. Just as this Panchavritti means fivefold functions, but it is being discussed in detail. What are those Panchavrittis? Two versions will be given, and finding that both versions also are not very satisfactory, Pancha means more than one. That's it. Many. Aneka. Aneka means can be two, also can be aneka. 2 lakhs also can be aneka. So that's why like mind which has got many functions, 3 versions will be given. Now first let us confine here. Manovat, like just as mind has got 5 types of perceptual vrittis. Perceptual vrittis given through jnanendriyas. Then what about the other vrittis, kama, krodha, lobha, sankalpa, etc.? They need not be taken by 5 is told. Confined only to 5 vrittis. That is also not correct, but there also mistake is there, will be shown by the bhashya afterwards. So that is it. So only confined to 5 jnanendriya vrittis, like that. Prana has got 5 functions. 5 avasthas, 5 states, and 5 functions. So that is what is that. So then after other meaning will be given, we will see that. So manovat, vyapadishyate. So panchavritti, so vyapadishyate means shuttya upadishyate. So prana has got 5-fold function, and prana, apana, vyana, udana, samana. This is very clearly enumerated by who? Shruti. So that's why vyapadishyate, upadishyate. So that is how it is.